All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're talking about tool abuse. Let's talk tool abuse. I'm guilty of it. I know Cole is. The reason I say Cole is he broke my Matco long 1/4 inch ratchet. Technically, I already broke it, but I broke the gear on it. I was abusing it too, so it was getting rebuilt anyway. But okay, so let's start with it. I've got, well, 2 broken Matco tools. Both were not being used correctly. The ratchet Cole was using to try to break a 14mm head bolt loose on an alternator, and it was stupid tight. If you know how sockets tend to run, you know 14's usually where most 1/4 inch sets stop. There's a good reason for that. He had a clearance problem, so he thought my ratchet, after he broke his 1/4 inch ratchet, would do better. I wound up getting it broken loose with my long 3/8 Matco and a short snap-on 14mm. It was stupid tight. I don't blame him for it because the socket he was trying to use was somewhere between a shallow and a semi-deep. The socket he has isn't that shallow, so he couldn't get it in. We all abuse our tools. Case in point, I stripped teeth on this one and broke this 1/4 inch wobble extension trying to do something I knew wasn't going to work. Triple square on a seat, and the seat mechanism where it tilts up is broken, and I had to get the seat taken loose so I could get a bracket out of the way, so I could get the carpet up, so I could do fuel pumps, and I had to jam it over, shove it this triple square in, and try to break it loose, and the result was a broken tool. Hi, Robbie. He'll already have been here since this video comes out, but he watches my videos, so it'll be funny. We all abuse our tools. We all use our tools in ways they were not intended. Don't get upset when a tool dealer goes, I'm not warrantying that. You know, when you use an extension as a punch, seen guys try to warranty that stuff. I don't know why you'd use a snap-on extension as a punch, but I've seen it. Everybody complains about the tool dealers. When you abuse a tool and they warranty it anyway, that's why you do business with a tool dealer. As I, stand here with broken tools that'll be warranted, no questions asked, that's why you deal with tool dealer. Good example of that is Daniel is currently borrowing my long-handled snap-on ratchet. He broke his Cobalt 3/8 long flex head. It's one of the problems when you buy from, a store is you actually got to go there and get it warranted. Obviously, mail in, stuff like that, but it's one of the reasons why I buy tools like this off the tool truck. They're expensive, but when I break them, I don't have to go anywhere. I don't like going anywhere. I like staying home when I'm home. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Comments, always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flatrate Master.